Hello everyone, welcome back to our series. This is Learn English Through Daily Life. Today, we will learn how to talk at the market. Don't worry, I will use simple English and speak slowly. Let's begin. At the market. We use simple words. Example, price, how much, cheap, expensive. These words are very useful. Now, let's learn sentences. How much is this? It is 500 rupees. Can you give me a discount? It is too expensive. Okay, I will take it. You can use these in real life. Now, listen to a conversation.
Hello, how much is this shirt?
It is 1,500 rupees.
That is expensive. Can you reduce the price?
Okay, I can give it for 1,200.
Can you make it 1,000?
Okay, 1,000 final.
Great, I will take it.
This is a simple market conversation. You can also say, do you have another color? Do you have a smaller size? I am just looking. Thank you. These expressions make your English better. Now, you try. Say this. How much is this? Can you give a discount? Practice daily. That's all for today. Now, you can speak at the market in simple English. In the next episode, we will talk about conversation at the hospital. If you enjoyed this, please follow and share. And remember, learning English is easy when you practice daily. See you next time. Goodbye.